And this touches on National Bank, where National Bank of Kenya will no longer trade on the Nairobi Securities Exchange following an official notice. The notice by NSE states that the delisting of the lender follows full acquisition by KCB Group. NBK posted a rise in net profits, which increased 1,126% from 87 million shillings to 1.1 billion shillings during the 9 months of the year ending September 30th, 2021. Well, we'll be giving you more details on this in our subsequent bulletins, as well as on our website, where we are keeping a close watch on how NBK and, of course, KCB did make a serious acquisition of the NBK Bank. Well, let's cross further to some matters to do with entrepreneurship in the country, and Kenyan startups stand a chance of accelerating the country's economic growth rate if they are well funded. Stakeholders drawn from the private sector are now calling on the Kenya industrial estates to be adequately resourced